Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and here's another build already. They're really coming in fast. Windows 10 Insider Preview build 17738 is now available, of course, for download in the fast ring. This is the latest version for Redstone 5. I am, as you see here, of course, installing it right now. I will try to have a review later today, but I'm not sure because of a pretty busy day. If it's not the case, tomorrow morning, first thing will be the Insider Preview, review. So we'll be looking if there's anything new in there. So busy day, Patch Tuesday for regular Windows users, plus another Insider Preview build 17738 now released for fast ring. So check it out, go to your Insider machines and just click that Windows Update button. It's been released a few minutes ago. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.